Hello and welcome to Business Q&A. Natural gas holds major ecological and economic benefits, but this alternative fuel is yet to take hold in South Africa. So why has it taken so long, and how can you benefit when it finally does? Well, we're joined now by Juan Ojanguren. He's the Asia Pacific Regional Manager at GNC Galileo. Juan, thank you very much for coming into the studio. From Argentina, firstly, welcome to South Africa.
Thank you very much.
Look, we know that Argentina is a top user of CNG, compressed natural gas. South Africa really at the other end of the scale. Why is South Africa lagging so far behind in this respect?
I understand that South Africa will start moving towards CNG very soon. The question for developing a sustainable CNG market is the gas availability. Gas is available right now. We have been working with our partners here for the last 3 years, and next week we will launch our first CNG project here. The mother station is ready, so next week we will have everything up and running.
So you're from Argentina for GNC Galileo. You've teamed up with a South African company, and you've now reached the point that you're ready to make natural gas available to South Africa.
Not natural gas available. The natural gas is available already.
Okay.
What we will do CNG now, compressed natural gas, okay, for different application, for daughter stations, for cars. We will refill buses. We will give CNG to industrial sector by using some very special transport system Galileo has, and this is the whole thing. This is what we will do. We will supply CNG to maybe householders, to industrial sector, and also to the CNG vehicles.
If we were to break it down to households, do you think South African households are ready to be getting CNG? What more has to happen before we're at that point?
Nothing very special, because at the time you have the mother station ready, as we have, the question is to find the right clients far away from pipelines. Okay, so we bring the system to the city gate, we reduce the pressure, and then we develop an internal network. So all these houses or apartments will have natural gas.
For cars, does it mean obviously that a conversion process has to take place? Bit of detail there. What can you tell us?
No, the conversion is something absolutely simple. Of course, many things has to be addressed in terms of the norms, in terms of the security of the system and so on, but this is something that we will pass to our partners here, and we are also in talks with the government in this regard in order to make a very safe CNG system. This is not a big deal. The question is to have the right conversion shops, because this way at the time you convert your car, you will feel comfortable with this. Okay, if everybody is using CNG and you have a good conversion, the market will grow very fast.
Yeah. If in your cooperation, your dealings with the South African government, how have you found the government to be? Has the government been supportive enough of these new measures?
Maybe I'm not the right person to tell this because I'm a foreigner. Okay, we are just technological suppliers and solution providers. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you give me your situation for natural gas, and Galileo will give you the solution. We are not involved in the politics.
Okay.
But in any case, as far as I meet some people during my visit this week, I think it's very positive. I think it's very positive.
So just finally, are we therefore expecting now to see sort of gas stations, the filling stations, to start popping up across the country? Is that the next step?
This is the idea.
Yeah.
This is the idea. Because first of all, you already have pipelines here. You have almost 1,000 kilometers of pipelines. So along that pipeline, we can put many CNG stations for buses, for garbage trucks, for cars. And this is important. In other areas where the gas is not available because there are no pipelines, we can do virtual pipeline. what we are doing right now. Okay, we can transport gas and we can develop different daughter stations. The technical name is daughter station. Okay, because it's not connected to the gas network. Okay, we bring some special technology over there and we have a daughter station. So the question is, we need to increase the network of CNG. This way people will drive only on CNG, saving money. This is good in terms of environmental and good in terms of money for the end user.
All right, Juan, very exciting times in South Africa, but thanks very much for joining us from Argentina.
My pleasure.
That was Juan Ojanguren. He's the Asia Pacific Regional Manager at GNC Galileo.